Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, June 20th, and kind of a wet morning out there here in Breckenridge, as you can see outside my window. And we'll have some showers, especially for the morning hours, and some of those could bring some pretty good downpours over southern lower Michigan. And then we expect more showers and thunderstorms this weekend. And again, I think the heaviest and the best chances will be across the southern half of lower Michigan, and especially as you get down into southern lower Michigan. And as far as temperatures, we're going to start heating up, but probably not till the second half of next week, probably in that Wednesday or Thursday, Friday time period. Still a little uncertain as when that heat dome is going to build in. But until then, lots of 70-degree temperatures by day and lows in the 50s and maybe some low 60s on nights when we have cloud cover. So a pretty comfortable temperature pattern here over the next 5 to 7 days. And if we look at yesterday, we had a cool high of 73.7, a low of 62. We picked up 1/1600ths of an inch of rain since midnight, and again, some areas picking up as much as 4/10 over towards the Lakeview area. Normal high is now 79 and normal low is 55. And if we look at the moisture here over the last, or really since May, you can see overall with all of our stations, we're about 91.6% of the normal rainfall, so not too bad. Inside this dashed line though, this is the areas that are the driest, is only about 50% of the moisture that we would normally expect for the months of May and June over in Brown City area. And again, still about a 20% deficit. All these areas you'll notice are across the north and eastern portions of the MAC and LAC areas. And again, plentiful moisture across areas mainly to the west and southwest. And some areas will still need some rain. As I was looking over at Clarksville, only 38% of the normal rainfall for the month of June, so they could use a pretty good shower there. And if we look at the drought index, again, the new one we'll have on Friday, but you can see much of the Great Lakes in great shape. The most severe drought conditions, again, off to the southwest. And as far as drought areas that affecting the corn regions, you can see all the major corn producing areas, for the most part, are free of the drought. And so that's good news. And we'll see what the newest update comes out with here. I think we'll have that on Fridays. It comes out on Thursday, but probably not in time for the forecast. As far as conditions around the area this morning, you can see temperatures mainly in the 50s to low 60s. The warm spot 64 at Lansing, and the cool spot at Marlette, with them showers at 55.6 degrees. On the satellite view, you can see some of the colder cloud tops developing here overnight into this morning, bringing some of the more substantial rainfall across southern lower Michigan, and even some of the colder tops across the northwestern portions of southern Michigan, dropping down into mid-Michigan, creating some of them pretty good showers. And then the big storms obviously off into parts of Kansas, Nebraska, into Iowa, where they've had some pretty strong storms out there overnight into this morning. And you can see those on radar. You can see a bow echo here across portions of Kansas, bringing some severe weather last night, those dissipating now. And of course, our showers and thunder showers across southern lower Michigan and across mid-Michigan, and areas like Clarksville, Lansing kind of missed out on it. They may be getting some showers now, but as of about 6 o'clock this morning, it was dry in that little wedge across south central lower Michigan. As far as the forecast map today, you can see our stalled out boundary across the Ohio Valley, and that's going to be the focus point for some of the heaviest rains and flash flood potentials here for the next 24 hours. Eventually, we're going to see the last wave on that system move up towards the Great Lakes, and that'll spread more widespread rain into the area for Friday night into Saturday, maybe Saturday night. And then I think we'll see conditions dry out for early next week. We'll still continue to see temperatures in the 70s. But overall, it'll be a pretty nice pattern. As far as the 7-day rainfall, you can see around an inch or so once you get into central, south central lower Michigan down to the Ohio border. The heaviest rains now shifted a little bit farther south here on the latest WPC outlook here. And again, they were up towards southern lower Michigan. Again, look, these would be pretty beneficial rains for parts of the area here over the next 7 days, so that's not too bad. As far as weather watch this morning, you can see some marine fog advisories for the southern portions of Lake Michigan, and then flash flood watches and flash flood warnings off to our southwest, where the focus is on those heavier showers and thunderstorms this morning. As far as the forecast goes, you can see, again, plenty of 70s right on through the next 5 days. Our best chance of showers after today will be for Friday night into Saturday, as it looks right now, or Friday, actually probably from Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning. and I think most areas have a good chance of picking up between 1/3 to 2/3 of an inch of rainfall. Again, if you get a thunderstorm, obviously you could have quite a bit more rain in a short period of time. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.